beauty channel. And do you think I look great today? That's because I have a filter on. I haven't been using filter on my previous videos, but I figured, you know what, I don't feel that great today and looking a little pale, so I said, well, you know what, a filter goes a long way. So anyway, so today I'll be teaching you how to make the Belacan shrimp fried rice. Well, what is Belacan? Okay, so I don't know if you ever had the shrimp paste before, but it's equivalent to that, but this is a Malaysian paste. And what it is like shrimp paste, very pungent, and the smell and the taste as well. And people use that to cook different dishes. So we also make fried rice with that as well, which is delicious. Only warning is that make sure you have your vents on. Okay, you want to make sure that there's ventilation in the house, because you do not want that lingering pungent smell in the house, that's for sure. Okay, but it's totally delicious. So that's what I'll show you today. And for our quick short lesson in Chinese, I haven't forgotten. So how do you say Malaysian paste, or that Belacan paste? Basically, it's called Ma Lai Zhan. And Ma Lai in Chinese is Malaysian. So Ma Lai Zhan, I guess that's Malaysian paste. So fried rice is Chao Fan. Chao Fan. How do you say shrimp again? Ha, ha. Combine it all together. Ma Lai Zhan Ha Chao Fan. Belacan shrimp fried rice. Or if you want to say Malaysian paste shrimp fried rice. Same thing. So if you ever go out to a Chinese restaurant and you want to order just shrimp fried rice, you can go Ha Chao Fan. But if you want it made with that Malaysian paste or the Belacan paste, Ma Lai Zhan. So you want to put the Ma Lai Zhan in the fried rice. So that's my short lesson. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. And don't forget, do that on my YouTube link. And love you guys.